Welcome to Jeddah Ultimate Family Fun Spot, right beside Jamiya Old Airport Roundabout, in front of Andalus Mall, with plenty of parking waiting for you. Step inside the air-conditioned arcade, packed with thrilling video games for all ages. From trampoline to fun rides, endless activities keep the kids smiling and active. Little racers can zoom on their very own go-kart track, which is safe, exciting, and unforgettable for them. Discover a mini zoo indoors. Kids will love meeting friendly animals in a safe, cool environment. Don't forget to visit before it's gone. A safe and fun experience for kids. From water fun and arcade games to animal, karting and food, this Jeddah family spot has it all. Cool off with exciting water slides, splash pools, and shower play area. Subscribe the channel for more videos and follow the profile. And when it's time to refuel, enjoy the tasty meals from TGIF Burger King and many other food stalls.